Even though schools are closed, education is not. You are still learning and growing every day, and we want to help. The Tennessee Department of Education is thrilled to be able to offer a number of opportunities for learning at home. And we are so grateful for the partnership with PBS to bring you these lessons on television and online. I'm so deeply grateful for the outstanding teachers across the state who have developed these lessons especially for you. Tune in, keep growing, keep learning. You're doing a great job.
Hello, welcome to Tennessee's At Home Learning Series for Math. Today's lesson is for all third graders, but even if you're not a third grader, you can tune in. All children are welcome. This is our fifth in our series of lessons. I am Lisa Sharkley, and I'm a teacher here at Venus Stewart Elementary. It's in Gallatin, Tennessee. Welcome to my virtual classroom. Today we're thinking about the meaning of an unknown as the number of groups in a division problem. If you didn't see the previous lessons, you can go to the Tennessee Department of Education website. You can still watch today, but it might be more fun to watch the previous lessons because I refer back to them pretty often. To fully participate today, you will need 18 counters. Now I have some counters, but you don't have to have counters like mine. You can use crayons or pieces of candy or torn up paper or even cereal. You'll also need paper and a pencil. Okay, you ready to get going? Let's begin. Let's start off by skip counting. I have my hundreds chart right here in front of me. As we skip count, I'll point to the number. We're going to start off with the twos, and we've been practicing this all week, so we should be pretty good at it by now. All right, here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I always stop at 24 when I'm counting by twos when we're talking about multiplication. Do you know why? I bet you do. Because 2 times 12 is 24. Next, let's do our threes. I'm right here. I'm starting here. Please say them with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Those were my threes. Again, I stopped at 36 because I'm doing my think sign. 3 times 12 equals 36. Fours will be next. I'm pointing here, starting with my hundreds chart. I'm right at the 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Tell me why I stopped at 48. Let's see who knows their multiplication facts. Yes, you're so right. 4 times 12 equals 48. And the last one we'll practice today will be our fives. I know, easy breezy, pumpkin squeezy. All right, our fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. And we stop at 60 because, yes, 5 times 12 equals 60. Good job with your skip counting today. Let's warm up with a review problem. We're going to hear about a girl named Nakaya, who's one of my students here in my third grade class. Nakaya has 18 bracelets. After she organizes the bracelets by color, she has 3 equal groups. How many bracelets are in each group? I'm going to read it twice because anytime I read a word problem, you might miss a word or two. So I'm going to read it again so you hear all the details because you might need that number. Nakaya has 18 bracelets. After she organizes the bracelets by color, she has 3 equal groups. How many bracelets are in each group? What kind of problem do you think that is? I'm doing the tapping. What kind of problem? And I hope you're saying division. This is a division problem. We're going to start off by drawing a model and writing a division problem. All right, I have 18 bracelets. I have my 18, that's my total number. We're putting them into 3 equal groups. So I know I need to divide by 3 equals blank. Let's draw a model to go with that. Let's draw a model. 18 divided by 3. So I'm doing my 3 groups. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. For right now, you can watch me do this because in a couple minutes, you'll be doing it on your own. 18 divided by 3. All right, let's start splitting up this 18 bracelets to see how many she has in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So from using this model, how many does she have? How many does she have in each group? And I hope you are saying 6. I definitely agree. She will have 6 in each group. All right, let's keep it going. I'm going to next read a problem about another one of my students in my class who's having a party. Do you like going to parties? I do too. And his name is Hunter. This summer, my friend Hunter is having a party. 18 people are coming. I told him I'd help him set up tables. We know that 6 people can sit at each table, but we're not sure how many tables he'll need. Let me read it the second time so you can hear it again. This summer, my friend Hunter is having a party. 18 people are coming. I told him I'd help him set up tables. We know that 6 people can sit at each table, but we're not sure how many tables we'll need. What kind of problem does that sound like to you? I have a total number of 18, and I know how many people can sit at the table, but I want to know how many tables. I hope you're saying that sounds like a division problem, because you're right. What information do we have? We know there's 18 people. I'm putting my 18. We know that 6 people are sitting together. We know that, but we don't know how many tables we'll need. Let's use our counters. Now I have my 18 counters already here. Remember, you can use crayons, a piece of candy, torn paper, cereal to make your counters. All right, I'm going to divide them up. I'm going to say 6 people can sit here, so I'm putting my 6 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, one popped down, 6. All right, that's one group of 6 that are sitting together. Let's see if I can make another group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm up to 2 groups of 6. Let's see if I can make another. Wonder if he's inviting all the kids in our class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have my 18 counters that represent the people that are invited to the party. They are sitting in groups of 6. I have a group of 6, I have a group of 6, and I have a group of 6. The question was, how many tables will he need? And as you can look at our model and tell, he will need 3. 3 tables so everyone will have a seat at the table. All right, let's keep going. I'll put my counters. You can put your counters to the side too. We might have a chance to come back to them in a couple minutes. All right, we're going to next hear about another one of my students in my class. His name is Diego. Let's see what's going on with Diego. Diego plans to buy 15 burgers. 3 burgers come in each pack. How many packs should he buy? I'll read it the second time, but I want you to start thinking as I'm reading. Diego plans to buy 15 burgers. 3 burgers come in each pack. How many packs should he buy or purchase? All right, what kind of word problem is this? You're telling me I can feel it. Division. And I definitely agree with you. Start writing your number sentence. Start writing your number sentence. I'm going to write mine. I'm going to turn it this way. Write your number sentence. Oh, I know he has 15 burgers. I know they come in packs of 3. He needs to know how many packs he needs to buy. And I bet you wrote the same as me. 15 divided by 3 equals blank. Let's use that sharing. Let's use the sharing method where I do my 3 circles because this represents the packs. All right, he's going to buy 3. Let's see how many. 3 burgers come in each pack. We're deciding how many packs he needs to buy. So with the 15, I'm going to start sharing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've shared equally the 15 into 3 groups. How many is going to be in each group? And, I'm going to give you your think time before I write. And I bet you're writing 5 at the same time as I am. 5 should be your answer. One more problem to work on together before you start on the ones at home. Because after our video goes off, there's problems for you to answer. And I want you to do your best and show how much you're learning. All right? This is another one of my students named Chloe. Chloe has earned $20 babysitting for her neighbor. Do you like to babysit? No, I bet you're too young. Let me read it again. Chloe has earned $20 babysitting for her neighbor. She promised to split her earnings equally with her sister. How much will she give her sister? That was my first read. I'll read it a second time. Chloe has earned $20 babysitting for her neighbor. She promised to split her earnings equally with her sister. How much will she give her sister? All right. So, I know Chloe's going to earn $20. Are you writing your 20 down? She's going to split it equally. Oh, when I hear those words, it's almost like keywords, split equally. I think it's going to be a division problem. Division problem. 20 divided by what? It's going to be Chloe and her sister sharing the 20, so it would have to be by 2. They're sharing it equally. Let's see if we can draw a model to represent this. $20, and I'm sharing it with 2 people. I think I might need to make a big box because that's a larger number. Let's see. I'm going to do my equal sign because it's an equation, so I do need my equal signs. All right, let's start sharing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How much will those girls get each? And I hope you wrote $10. And that's a lot of money to buy candy with it. $10 they're going to be able to share among each other. Great work, boys and girls. Today we reviewed the meaning of an unknown as a number of groups in a division sentence. Thank you for working with me. I'll leave you with something to think about. As we've worked through several multiplication and division problems, think about how you could explain all this to someone you live with. You sure did a great job. After the video, you will have some problems to practice on your own. Good luck and do your best. Boys and girls, I enjoyed doing mathematics with you today. Thank you for inviting me into your home. I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson at Tennessee at Home Learning Series for Math. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
The value parents place on reading makes a big difference in a child's reading and language development. You don't have to be a teacher or a great reader to create and nurture a love of reading in your child. It's beyond words on a page. It's about using stories to engage your child in the world around them. Start early because language development begins at birth. Exposing children to books early enriches their daily lives and builds strong thinkers. Just having books in the home, no matter your comfort level in reading aloud, can help a child grow to love reading and learning. Let your baby touch, feel, and even chew on the books.
Bah, said Gregory unhappily. Let me see your unhappy face.
Ask your child questions about the book and experiences the characters are having. Use the pictures to spark meaningful, engaging conversation, relating pictures to things in the child's day-to-day routine. Share the joy of books by bringing the story to life. Read with enthusiasm and energy in any language. Try using different voices for different characters.
Is that we're all here together?
Make up a funny story using the pictures, or act out characters and sounds animals make.
Hey.
Encourage your child to copy you and make his or her own noises.
That's good. That's good.
And most of all, reading with children and exposing them to books from the moment they're born instills an everlasting love of reading and learning that they'll have for the rest of their lives.
What's up, all you crazy Tennesseans? It's me, Coach Wood again. Let's get up, get off your couch, let's get moving, all right? I got toilet paper in my hand. If you want to grab some toilet paper, go ahead. Join in on the fun. Let's just run in place for a minute, all right? We're just running through the neighborhood. What's up, man? Whoa, keep your distance. Good to see you. What's up? Woo! Go a little faster. Oh, I'm going. I'm running in my garage with toilet paper in my hand. Remember, it's important to get off that couch. Video games are fun, TV's fun, but you got to get up and move. Look it, we're moving with toilet paper. You can do it too. Keep moving, keep moving. Shake it out. Shake it off, shake it off. Hashtag Taylor Swift, here we go. Whew. Let's do some jumping jacks. Remember, pencil, X, pencil, X. Super simple. Let's get 10 in there, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Here we go. Last thing, USA, baby. USA, USA. Here we go. Last thing, we're gonna do some of my favorite. If you've watched my videos on YouTube, these are called star jumps. All right, touch the ground, jump up, star. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5. Woo. Shake it off. Whew. See, look at that. We haven't been working out for even 2 minutes. I'm already breathing hard. I know you're breathing hard. You guys are doing great. Keep it up at home. Keep up all the awesome work. And follow me at youtube.com/c/Coach Wood. Check out my other videos. Peace.
Hello, I'm Maria Lee, First Lady of Tennessee, and I'm so glad you're here. This has been an unprecedented time for our state and our country. I'm so proud to see how Tennesseans are coming together to serve and lift each other up in the midst of challenges. Each of us has a role to play, including you, our students. Right now, your school buildings may be closed, but there are many opportunities to keep learning. And we are so grateful for the partnership of PBS in bringing this program directly to you as one more way to keep us learning and growing together during this time. I want to also give a special thank you to all of the teachers who helped make this possible. We could not do it without them. Most of all, thank you for joining us.
Jeffrey, let's play a game while we're waiting for our food. Okay? This is a game about our facial expressions that show how our emotions, about how we're feeling. And so I'm going to tell you a sentence, and if you can match your face with that sentence, what the sentence is saying, okay? Okay. So for instance, how about, my birthday is tomorrow. Is that a good, excited face? Yeah, it shows that you're so super excited, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna put this menu up so I can't see your face, and I'm gonna say another sentence, and can you match it? I am so sad that my grandpa is leaving tomorrow. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
What kind of face is that?
Sad.
Sad face, like this?
Yes.
When your lips go down, right? It shows that we're really sad. Yeah, this emotion is sad. Okay, so you ready to do one for me?
Yes.
Okay, you make up a sentence and then tell me to match the feeling to my face.
I wish I could go to the beach, but my mom says I can't.
What kind of emotion is my face saying?
I'm sad.
Sad. Yes. Thank you for playing this game with me. I really liked how you used your sentences so that I could make my face show how I'm feeling.
Hold on. You ready to have a snack? Yes?
More?
More? Okay.
More.
Let's count.
More.
1,
Eight.
2,
Eight.
3,
3.
4,
5.
and 5. Want to eat one? Up. Go ahead. How many did you just eat? Did you just eat one? Okay. Let's count again. We got 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
4. You just ate it. One.
What's up, all you crazy Tennesseans? My name is Coach Wood. I'm the PE teacher at Hickson Elementary in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Let's do a little PE workout, all right? I got 2 rolls of toilet paper, all right? If you want to grab some, you grab some too. Let's wiggle out real quick. You've been doing work all day. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. We'll get it all out. Don't drop the toilet paper. Don't ruin the toilet paper. Super simple, all right? Woo! All right, first I'm going to do some arm circles. Nice and easy. Nothing crazy, folks. I'm just going forward. I'm going backwards. I'm going forward. I'm going backwards. Nice. Shake it out. You're doing great. You're doing great. Let's do big arm circles. Woo! Woo! Look at me go. Mom, look at me go. Woo! Man, just working out with some toilet paper. Let's go backwards. Ready? Nice and easy. Nothing crazy. Don't hurt yourself. All right? We're getting fit over here. What you doing? Working out with toilet paper? That's right, Mom. I'm working out with toilet paper. Woo! All right. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. You're doing great. All right. Now what we're going to do, hold your toilet paper out just like this. All right? Put it at your shoulders. We're gonna squat, press. Oh, what you doing, Coach Wood? Let's do it again. Squat, press. Squat, press. Nice and easy. Notice my knees are going out and I'm dropping low. All right? Nothing crazy. Just doing some squats in my garage. Living life. Woo! Here we go. All right, now we're gonna get a little crazy. Whoa, what was that? What you doing, Coach? Oh, nothing. I'm just working out with some toilet paper. Is that toilet paper in your hand? Yes, ma'am, it is. Don't worry about it. I'm not gonna drop it. Kids, just pretend like it's a bunch of wads of cash in your hand. Do not drop it, or ruin it, or let anyone take it. And also don't hoard it, that's not good either. Woo! All right, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. You guys did great. Don't forget, if you want more PE videos, go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/c/Coach Wood. Peace.